Hello.
Teacher.
Good evening. What is your
My
name?
name is Henry.
How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
What's your favorite film?
My favorite film is MasterChef.
What's the most significant festival in Vietnam?
The most festival in my country is Mid-Autumn Festival.
Now let us have the speaking test for Unit 10 about sources of energy. What are the renewable sources of energy?
Yeah, it is biomass, geothermal, hydropower, solar power, wind power.
Okay, what are the advantages of renewable sources of energy?
Uh, it it triple than the non-renewable. Uh, if it good for environment.
Okay,
We have many short show it easier to make use it.
Okay, what are the disadvantages of renewable sources of energy?
The disadvantage of renewable festival is
Renewable source of energy.
renewable source of energy is not it quickly in-house limited.
Okay.
It important.
Yes. What are the non-renewable sources of energy?
Yeah, it is coal, oil, natural gas,
And nuclear.
nuclear.
Okay. What are the advantages of non-renewable sources of energy?
Uh, non-renewable, non-renewable easier to produce and use.
Okay. Now, what are the disadvantages of non-renewable sources of energy?
Non-renewable is really responsible for a lot of pollution in the world today.
Okay, that's all for tonight. Henry, thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.